Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the new 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice Azure Grey coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the convenience package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera right there, and we do have a nice little glass opener here, which allows you to have easy access to your cargo. And moving over here, we do have nice roof rails for all your cargo necessities, blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we do have that license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do have plenty of cargo space. We do have LED lights, 12-volt outlets, little hooks for storage, of course, storage containers on each side. And we do have storage with the spare tire, which is pretty nice. And of course, if you need more, you can always collapse that row for extra storage. Taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice black cloth and gray cloth interior. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you can always pull this out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do have 2 fans back here, USB and USB-C. Plenty of door space, which is pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are mostly powered, with the same cloth interior we have in the back there. Plenty of door space again. You have your trunk and light fixtures right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 13.2 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your toggle for your screen there. You have your voice, phone, media controls there, volume, and cruise controls there. Now looking at your main menu, you can go through AM, FM, so on and so forth. Phone, information about the vehicle, such as tire pressure, oil life, seat belts, trip 1, trip 2, so on and so forth. Kilometers per hour, and so on and so forth. And taking a look here, you have your gear shift right there, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad, storage, USB and USB-C, and a 12-volt outlet. You have your GOAT modes right there. Nice leather-wrapped center console with a fair bit of storage with the USB and USB-C. For your GOAT modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. And continuing look here, we do have 2 heated front seats plus dual climate. Little storage coming here, engine stop and start, auto stop, auto start, hazards, media, storage in the glove compartment as always. You have your navigation, what station you're currently on and what phone's connected, audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so on and so forth, navigation, apps, settings such as Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi hotspot, so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE53262, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.